10, 10. This angel number is saying to you, it is already yours. The money, the love, the house, the perfect career, and the blessings. Type 1010 if you agree. Vibe of the day. I possess the courage to push through discomfort in pursuit of ambitious goals. I know that there is a first time for everything. I know that the vision that I have for my life is heaven sent. The universe is conspiring in my favor as I work to manifest my dreams. Type yes if you agree. One thing I absolutely love and adore about myself is no matter how bad I have been treated, no matter how I am feeling, no matter I have been through or what I am going through, I still have a heart of gold and endless